Hi guys, welcome back to Robbie D's Kitchen. I'm Robin and today we'll be making a carrot cake with cream cheese filling. So let's get into the video. First, we're gonna work on our cream cheese filling. So I'll be starting off with the cream cheese, butter, powdered sugar, vanilla, and the milk, and I'll just be mixing that together. So my cream cheese filling was a little bit lumpy. That's because I didn't let the cream cheese soften. Even though it's fine if that happens to you too, just rest the bowl on top of the stove as the oven is preheating and that should smooth it out. Next, you want to mix your dry ingredients, which would be your flour, seasoning, and your baking powder and baking soda. Now it's time for the wet ingredients. So I will be adding some eggs. I have 3, but I only added 2 at a time. You can add 3 if you want. Then I added sugar, oil, and more sugar. Now we're going to mix until you get that pale yellow color. So I did forget to add my vanilla. So if you really want to add vanilla, you can do that and just mix it in. After that, you just want to add your dry ingredients and give that a good mix. It will be really thick at this point, so don't worry, it will get better. Now we're going to add our pineapple and carrots that we shredded and give that a good mix. And once that's mixed in good, you can add walnuts if you want. So now we're ready to bake. So you would want to spray down your bun pan or whatever pan you want to use, and then add half of your carrot cake mixture. After that, you will add your cream cheese that you made. You only want to add half of it. And you just want to spread it out in the cake like I'm doing here. And you're going to save the other half for the top. Then you're going to add the rest of the carrot cake mixture, and you can give it a tap or two if you want. And because we have a longer bake time, I will be covering mine with foil so it doesn't brown too much. So whilst the cake is baking, I'm just going to go ahead and add some of that pineapple juice from the crushed pineapples into the cream cheese filling and just mix that in. And in about an hour and some change, your cake will be done. Now it's time to decorate. So I went ahead and just drizzled on, well, not drizzled, but I just went ahead and poured on that cream cheese filling, the rest of it. And when I was done with that, I will be adding the rest of the nuts as well.
And oh.
I'm funny, you know. So there you have it, carrot cake with cream cheese filling. So if you enjoyed this recipe, please let me know, and if you do try it out, please also let me know, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and until next time, bye.